Hi everyone, how are you? I found these. I bought them a while ago from Japan, but I totally forgot. Anyways, today I turned on the camera because I have some great news for you guys. JUMISO is having a huge promo on Olive Young Global right now. They're having up to 55% discount, plus if you use my code, you can get extra discounts too. The best part is that they are offering free gifts with purchase at the moment. They are giving away 1,000 of this new and best sets with miniatures of their best-selling Snail Mucin Essence and BHA cleanser. Also, if you purchase over $20, you can get a full-sized 50 milliliter Snail Mucin Essence to the first 500 people. So if I could recommend one product from JUMISO on this huge promo that they're doing right now on Olive Young Global, I would want to recommend the Snail Mucin Essence. This is their best seller. I think you guys already probably know it and love it. I do find the texture and finish more refreshing than other Snail Mucin essences out there. And with the main ingredients, Snail Mucin and Peptide, it's a high functional product that gives you a lot of skin benefits like improving acne and recovering from ultraviolet rays. This has been my go-to, especially this month and last month. This is so good. If you add in a really good exfoliator with it, then if you have concerns of small bumps or whiteheads, this is a really great product to add into your routine. If you are gonna go shopping, do hurry up because they're giving out 1,000 boxes, and with purchases over $20 for the first 500, they are giving away the full-sized Snail Essence of 50 milliliters. So hurry up.